Choking is the most common problem, especially with infants, because infants, they can choke on their milk as well. What to do in case your infant is choking? First of all, we have to identify the signs and symptoms of choking. How do you identify that your child or your baby is choking? Number one, you will see the face turning bluish. The baby cannot cry, or they are crying but they do not have voice. In case you understand that your kid is choking, then what is the first step you should do as a first aider? Imagine they are choking. Immediately grab something to sit down. Okay? Sit down on your lap, put them like this with the spinal full supported. Okay? Open their mouth, check properly, turn them on your leg with full support, leg open. Between the shoulder blades, you have to hit 5 times, like 1, 2, turn slowly and slightly, very carefully, supporting their spine. From the back, check properly. If nothing is there or they are still choking, then between you know how to do CPR, very similar to that one. You have to do 5 chest compressions. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. If you see the object, you can simply take it out, but don't try to be deep inside, otherwise you will push the object too much inside and deep, and it will be much more worse. Then you have to turn again if you feel that they are still choking, and repeat the same process. Okay? So you have to do at least 3 times before you call an ambulance. And after that, if your casualty or the infant is still choking and they become unconscious, immediately start your basic life support, that is the CPR. So to learn how to do CPR, please log in with us. Subscribe our channel on YouTube. Thank you very much.
For further inquiries and consultation, please don't hesitate to reach out to Najma Consultancy. Your success is our priority.